This is part 2 of how to bridge Bone from Goerli ETH to the Shibarium beta testnet, also known as PuppyNet. So in this final stage, we will be completing the transfer. Please watch part 1 of the video to understand how we arrived at this current stage. So press the transfer button. We've already read through these instructions. We've got to this stage previously, the approved deposit stage. Continue. As you can see, we have the gas fee. Confirm. So you would require Goerli Ethereum to pay for gas fee for this transaction. So while we're waiting for that to complete, remember, please review the docs.shibariumtech.com website. That will give you further instructions on how to connect your MetaMask wallet to the Shibarium beta network, and also how to receive Goerli ETH Test tokens, how to request them from the faucet. So just read through the documents and it's quite detailed. Okay, so we've approved the deposit. To complete the deposit, it will cost us 0.00038. We'll go ahead and select continue, and we get the estimated time of completion. As you can see, the transfer will occur from Goerli network to PuppyNet network, also known as Shibarium beta. So I'll select the continue button. Again, you're presented with the gas fee, and you'll confirm, and wait for that to proceed, and there you have it. Our transfer is en route. Your transfer is on the way and will be completed in 22 to 30 minutes. Once completed, your token balance will be automatically updated. So this is how you transfer Bone from Goerli ETH network to Shibarium beta network, also known as PuppyNet. Thank you.